In today's video, we are taking a commonly despised item and making it even more dangerous.
Guys, we built a random idea generator and it kicks out some weird stuff, and some of them seem like pretty mean ideas. This time it gave us weaponized glitter. Now it doesn't go into any details about what that means, it just leaves it up to us. And so we weaponized glitter.
Here's the basic idea. Our random idea generator told us to weaponize glitter. So we're gonna go ahead and get creative with that in a few different ways. Namely, into really adorable little bombs.
We've got 3 different versions of weaponized glitter. We've got some bombs that are made from glass Christmas ornaments filled with glitter and painted to be super cute. We've got Nerf darts that we are dipping in glitter and glue to make a sort of DIY paintball, although it's more glitter than paint. And then we've got water balloons full of gelled alcohol, water, and glitter, of course, because that's the theme.
All right, on your mark.
Wait!
Get set!
First, let's show them how we made these.
All right, we'll show you how we made these and then we'll show you what they do. So the first thing that you want to do is assemble all of your supplies. Most of this stuff I got from a craft store. So we've got glitter, a funnel, different types of craft paint, model magic, some craft cord, and a piece of foam sheet. Once you have the rest of your supplies assembled, you're going to want to get a glass Christmas ornament. Now you can choose what size or shape you want. I wanted to go with the very classic looking video game bomb, so I found the biggest round ornament I could find. So with these ornaments, you can get them at pretty much any store during Christmas time. I was able to get these on clearance because it's after Christmas, but they're pretty simple. They're made to fill or to decorate. So if you take off the top, you're gonna have a little piece of wire that we've clipped off, and you're gonna wanna save this top for later. Next, you're gonna grab your funnel and you're gonna choose your weapon. So I've got 2 different colors of glitter. So I'm going with gold and red for this one. That's either gonna look like an awesome explosion or a Gryffindor party. So for your next step, you're gonna add a thin line of hot glue right around the edge of your glass ornament, and we're gonna put the lid back on once that's in place. Once your ornament is sealed up, take a piece of your craft foam and cut a strip that's about the same height as the top of your ornament. Once you've cut your strip of craft foam, glue it around the edges. Probably go around it twice to make sure it's about the width and size that you're gonna want. Next, you're gonna take your craft cord and cut a piece maybe about 2 inches long. Once you've got a decent amount of hot glue, we've almost formed a dome at the top like a resin dome, you're gonna sink your wick down into it. Once you've got the body assembled, you can start painting. So the paint that I'm using is not very expensive. It's about 90 cents a bottle, which is great, but it also doesn't have the best coverage. So I'm gonna probably do 2 or 3 coats of this black paint on the body, but I'm gonna be hitting it with a heat gun so I don't have to wait for it to dry. If you use a better quality paint, you can probably do this just once and not worry about it too much. Once you've got the body of your video game bomb all finished painted, you're gonna wanna hit it with a layer of sealant. This is probably my favorite sealer I use for anything, whether it's decorations or cosplay. This is Krylon Clear Sealer, and it's amazing. It works for anything. All right, once you have the base all made, it's time to add the details. And the way that we're gonna add the little face and the feet is gonna be model magic. It's super cheap, super easy to use. You don't need a whole lot of skill or practice with it, and it's gonna form really easy for what we need. Guys, I've already assembled all of our bombs. Now it's time to make some more weapons. That's still enough glitter that you're not going to want to get hit with it.
Any glitter is enough that I don't want to get hit with it.
That's the point. All right, guys, we've got 3 different types of glitter weapons. Time for a field test.
So, glitter has a tendency to stick to things forever. And
if you get it on you, be prepared to have it on you forever.
I'm trying not to ruin my clothes.
I'm trying to ruin his clothes.
Yeah, that's why they call it war.
Yep, we're going all out, folks.
This is a head sock. It's a rectangle with a spot badly cut out and sewn for your eyes.
You're going down, I'm yelling glitter. Okay.
Yeah, I was having that same problem. And when I say I was, I mean I still am.
This is going well. This is glitter glue. Now what we're doing with this is we're actually coating the ends of our Nerf darts in glue and then glitter. And then we're shooting each other with it.
Ah!
Bomb flower! Bomb flower!
That bomb didn't break.
No! This isn't fair! Anybody ever play Ocarina of Time? Bomb flowers.
Three, two, one. Ah! 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Hey, Nate!
Oh, no. I can't see, I can't see!
They're sticking to you! They're sticking to the gun!
I'm glittered! You got me! You got me!
Wait, I've got water balloons! No! 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 Don't move! Don't move! No!
Ow. 3, 2, 1.
No! Am I covered in glitter?
Yeah, it's gold glitter.
Yes! Go!
No, no, no!
I'm getting marked! There! Where's the other gun? Aha! I got 2 bullets left! Oh no! Guys, I gotta go in! I gotta do it! I gotta go!
Well.
I love glitter! What do you have in your hand?
Nothing?
What do you have?
Not a handful of glitter.
Ow!
And
No!
dirt.
Oh, okay, that's it! That's
Wait,
all.
there's another balloon!
No! 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 No, okay, okay! No! Well, if you ever really want to make somebody mad, you can make your own video game, Glitter Bombs.
I think the glue was a mean addition.
I've never been so proud. Guys, that was awesome, but you know we've always got more for you to see. This box up here at the top will take you to our latest video. That box at the bottom is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. Hit this bomb in the middle and it'll subscribe you to the channel. Don't forget to ring that bell and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.